Hello student, today we will learn how to add image on your web page or how to insert the image on your web page. So let us see the coding for that. So what you have to write in your notepad. So here you can see the code. First of all, HTML tag. We have to start with HTML tag. There are two HTML tags. You have to write only one HTML tag. So by mistake here it is written two HTML tag. After this you have to write the heading tag. After that you can put the head of that tag, that is India. It is not necessary to write India. Then you have to write HTML. You have to write title tag. Then after writing title tag, you have to put the title of your web page. As soon as you will write your title, then you have to close your title tag. After closing your title tag, you have to close your heading tag. After closing your heading tag, you have to start your body tag. This is the opening tag of your body tag. So after writing your body tag, you have to write some sentence. Here it is written about festival and fairs. You can write some sentence over here. If you want to write, then you can write. So you can write about your picture, whatever you are going to upload or whatever you want to insert the picture on your web page. So you can write. After this, what you have to do is, this is the P tag. P tag stands for paragraph tag. That is used to start new paragraph. So it is not necessary to write. So first of all we have to learn how to add the image. So till here, this one we have to skip. No need to write. Okay. So what we have to do is, you have to write the img. Here you can see next thing is img. Img stands for image tag. So for image you have to write img, then src. Src is used to search the picture or photo from your computer. After that you have to put the equal sign. After putting your equal sign, you have to write your file name. Like here it is written com. After that here it is written gpg. So gpg is one type of extension. There are various type of extension like png, zip, gpg. So these are the extension that you can get from the property of your picture that we have studied earlier. So after writing this, you have to close the body tag, and after that at the end you have to close HTML tag. Then you have to save it on the file with the extension of .htm or html. In this way you can get the output with the picture. So thank you.